High capacity save money. Saviland Big Capacity Clear Acrylic Powder is available up to 4 ounces 120 grams, which can be mixed with fine powder of soft pastel chalk or glitters. DIY more charming acrylic nails. Clear acrylic polymer powder is wonderful to do French nails, acrylic nails, carved flowers, nail extensions and nail decoration. No need cure, easy to use. Saviland Professional Acrylic Nail System does no need nail lamp to cure, that save time, and this clear acrylic nail powder only needs several steps working with Saviland acrylic liquid to do nails. It is useful for beginner to practice and DIY fashion nails. Believe hat will be a best manicure for Christmas party or other holiday activity. High quality, long lasting. Saviland acrylic nail powder is high quality that can ensure color clarity, long wearing and prevent yellowing or dulling. Acrylic powder system create a protective layer, promote longer and stronger nails which does not split or peel. Our polymer powder provide a smooth self-leveling finish and is wonderful to do nail extension, carving, decoration and other nail art design. Healthy formula warm tips. Saviland acrylic powder is made of natural ingredient, which is non-toxic, healthy, cruelty-free and environment-friendly. If apply correctly, the acrylic powder will dry about 2 to 3 minutes with great acrylic liquid. Here highly recommend Saviland liquid monomer for acrylic powder. All-rounded customer service. Skin test before using is necessary. Stop using immediately once feeling uncomfortable. If you have any problems with this clear acrylic powder, please feel free to contact us. We will do our best to help you solve the problem. We provide replacement or refund service. Top reviews from the United States. Beginner friendly. I am teaching myself how to do acrylic nails and wanted an inexpensive option for acrylic powder and liquid set for practice on a mannequin hand. This is great, it doesn't set too fast, giving you time to adjust it on the nails. It's a nice texture when done.